Getting stuck on waiting for Wi-Fi connection while backing up WhatsApp on your iPhone? This is usually caused by wrong network settings or mobile data restrictions. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through fixing the backup pause issue on WhatsApp step by step. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi Assist. First, open up the settings, then tap Mobile Service. Scroll down, find the Wi-Fi Assist. Now simply toggle on this option. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down a little bit. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down again. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now make sure to turn this off. Now go to WhatsApp and try backup again. Solution 4. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's how you fix the WhatsApp backup pause issue on your iPhone. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Be sure to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.